Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Compound letters. When we write Arabic, the single letters are joined together to form compound letters or alphabets, also known as Murakkabaat in Arabic. Today we will do the compound words consist of 4 letters. Let's start our today's lesson. Remember that when we join different alphabets, their sound remains same, but their shapes change according to their position in the compound word. So let's start. Ta, kha, lam, ta. Ta, kha, lam, ta. You can see when the ta comes at the first position, its shape is like this. And when it comes at the final position, at the end, its shape is like this. Ya, kaf, ta, ba. Ya, kaf, ta, ba. Ba, ghain, dot, ba. Ba, ghain, dot, ba. Noon, mim, waw, ta. Noon, mim, waw, ta. Ta, jim, ra, ya. Ta, jim, ra, ya. Mim, sin, jim, dal. Mim, sin, jim, dal. Ya, ghain, noon, ya. Ya, ghain, noon, ya. Ta, ain, ba, dal. Ta, ain, ba, dal. Alif, dha, lam, mim. Alif, dha, lam, mim. Ta, ra, fa, kaf. Ta, ra, fa, kaf. Ain, noon, dal, ha. Ain, noon, dal, ha. Ba, ha, ya, jim. Ba, ha, ya, jim. Alif, tha, ya, mim. Alif, tha, ya, mim. Kaf, noon, ta, mim. Kaf, noon, ta, mim. Alif, fa, alif, kaf. Alif, fa, alif, kaf. Ya, qaf, dad, ya. Ya, qaf, dad, ya. Ain, dhal, alif, ba. Ain, dhal, alif, ba. Ba, sin, ba, ba. Ba, sin, ba, ba. Have you noticed that when ba comes at the start or at the middle, its shape is like this, and when it comes at the end position, its shape is like this. You can see the other alphabets too. Look at the alphabet, the letter ha. When it comes at the end, its shape is like this. But when it comes in the middle, its shape changes and it looks like this. I hope you understand what are the compound letters and you understand the lesson. Barakallahu feek. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.